How to add layout on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add layout on Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Instagram in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you land on your home page, tap on add to your story at the top left corner. And from here, tap on camera. Once you land on this interface, if you navigate to your left hand side, they will have an option as layout. So you have to tap on layout. Again, tap on the option given there, and now from here, you can select the layout. Choose your preferred layout option. After that, you have to add images to the layout. Tap on this add image option at the bottom left corner. And now you have to add the images that you want to add in your layout. Once you're done, tap on the tick mark right here. Now you can customize this layout by adding text, stickers, music, or other effects. And once you're done editing, tap on your story at the bottom left corner, and this will or the layout will be uploaded in your story. So that's the way to add layout on Instagram story, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.